How to buy Monkey, the wise monkey token. Now, before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this is their X account. They have a big community. Make sure to take a look at it. Now, after that, how to buy this token? Now, just go and check their website. So as you can see, this is the official website to buy from. Now, after you click on buy monkey, as you can see, they will redirect you to PancakeSwap. So this token is available in PancakeSwap. Now, what you need to do first is buy just the conversion this to be able to buy this monkey token. Now connect your wallet. Now select your wallet from here, for example, Trust Wallet. Now after that, as you can see, make sure to log in to your wallet. Now after that, click on connect. And now after connecting Trust Wallet, click on switch to be able to switch the network to the smart chain. Now click on switch. And after that, set here how much you want to buy with this token, or select from here the BNB. Yes. Now after you type how much your BNB you want to buy, this is how much you will receive. Now after that, click on get it now. Now what you need to do here is to fill your wallet with BNB. Now enter here how much of USDT you want to buy to be able to fill your wallet by BNB. Now after that, as you can see, select one of these providers. I will select Transact. Now after that, click on buy with Transact, and after that they show you this page to be able to buy the BNB. So as you can see, set how much you want to buy from here. Now you'll be able to buy with Visa or Apple Pay or Google Pay. Now after you fill your wallet with BNB, now you can, or you will be able to buy the monkey token. Now the other way is by going to Gisco and find the token. After that, copy the token address. Now go to Bitget wallet, and now we need to add this token to our wallet. Now click on this little plus icon. Now select here the BNB, as you can see, network. Now paste the token address, as you can see. Now after you find it, select the token, and now after that, the token, it will be added to our Bitget wallet. Now after that, scroll down till you find the token monkey. Now click on it, and now click on buy to be able to buy this token from Bitget. Now after that, they will show you this page, and now as you can see, select your country currency. Now here, enter how much you want to buy. From here you can select the token like BNB, and now as you can see, the transaction not too low. Now you can increase the amount from here and go back to Gisco and copy the token address. Now go back to Bitget wallet and paste here, as you can see, and now you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the monkey token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.